Hi, good afternoon, everyone, and a very, very warm welcome to the inaugural session and the unveiling of India's first virtual processed food R&D Expo 2021. As we've been told, the Honorable Minister will be joining us in a short while. He is a little held up, but I'll request everyone to please be with us. And in a very short while, as soon as the Honorable Minister is here, we will have him talking to all of us. Before that, I hope everyone's keeping safe in this COVID-19 season, and I hope you're wearing your masks, you're taking all the safety precautions, and I hope everyone is keeping safe. For all of our audiences here, I'd like to tell you that the first virtual processed food R&D Expo 2021 is a unique platform to explore innovations and opportunities for startups and SMEs in the Indian food processing industry. And this will help you transform your business with the latest innovations that are set to sweep the industry. Well, joining us for this first session, the inaugural session and the unveiling, we have with us the Honorable Minister of State, Food Processing Industries, Government of India, Shri Rameshwar Teli, who I hope has joined us. And we have with us Srimati Pushpa Subramaniam, Secretary MOFPI, Mr. Hemant Malik, the chair of the FICCI Food Processing Committee and CEO of the Food Division ITC Limited, is also joining us this afternoon. And last but not the least, for this session, we have with us Mr. Mohit Anand, the Managing Director of Kellogg's India and South Asia and the co-chair of the FICCI Food Processing Committee. So without any further ado, I'm going to request, first of all, the Honorable Minister of State, Food Processing Industries, Shri Rameshwar Teli, to kindly light the ceremonial lamp and inaugurate our today's program. Well, this is a ceremony we hold at the beginning of all of our endeavors to seek the blessings of the Almighty and thank Him for a new day of learning, and for our existence, we thank the Almighty. So thank you very much. And with that, without any further ado, I'm going to first of all invite our first speaker, requesting Shri Hemant Malik, the chair of the FICCI Food Processing Committee and CEO of the Food Division at ITC Limited, to give the welcome address.
Thank you. Thank you very much. A very good afternoon. Honorable Minister of State, Shri Rameshwar Teli ji, you have been a big supporter of food processing industry, और आप हर event में आप हमारा प्रोत्साहन करते हैं, and thank you very much, sir, for being there. Madam Secretary, Srimati Pushpa Subramaniam, thank you very much for this support that MOFPI has been giving to food processing. And आज this virtual event for R&D, I think, is absolutely stellar, because for developing food item and packaged food in India, the research and development which will work towards extending shelf life, which will work towards making sure that our produce can reach consumers across the country, which will work towards improving nutritional attributes so that our consumers can get even higher quality of nutrition. There is a lot of requirement which is coming in terms of shelf life, microbiological aspects, innovation in packaging. So I think research and development, and the great thing about today virtual exhibition is that so many people will be able to participate and access these new technology without having worry to travel across. And I think this virtual program is really absolutely brilliant. We are so grateful to MOFPI and to giving FICCI the opportunity to partner with you and make sure that this event can actually be very successful. So I would just like to thank you once again. I would like to welcome all the participants, the industry captains, the other speakers, and I think this is a great example of Make in India and Made for India. So thank you very much for this event, and wish this event a great success.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Malik, for joining us this afternoon and talking to all of us. And I'm going to now request Srimati Pushpa Subramaniam, the Honorable Secretary MOFSP, to also talk to our audience.
Thank you, Samriddhi. Shri Rameshwar Teliji, Honorable Minister of State for Food Processing Industries, Head of the Food Vertical in FICCI, Mr. Hemant Malik, other panelists for the event today, and of course, Honorable Minister for Food Processing Industry, Mr. Narendra Singh Tomarji, who is just conveyed to me that he's tied up with another meeting with the Prime Minister and is unable to join, and conveys his good wishes for the event. He was really trying to find time between his several commitments to be part of this event, and has been unable to. And he's been extremely supportive in getting this event organized. Today is really a proud day for the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Like Mr. Hemant Malik has mentioned, this sector, this industry is so research and innovation based. It's, apart from other inputs to the industry, it is innovation, I think, that drives this sector and determines its path, and it expands in such a big country as ours, and also, I think, worldwide. And rightly, the ministry has been supporting R&D efforts in the sector, not only through our premier institutes, that is the National Institute of Food Technology and Enterprise Entrepreneurship Management at NIFTM at Kundli, or the Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology at Tanjavur, but also various other research institutes under the ICR system of Government of India, or the CSIR system, or through the many agricultural universities which host food processing research departments in them. So this has been, I think, an effort of over 3 decades. This ministry has been supporting small innovation projects, small research projects, which is to be for developing new products, new processes, new materials, new packaging, new testing equipments, more affordable technology for the predominant MSME units in this country. And I'm very proud to say that today we celebrate the work of the scientist community associated with this sector. They have produced enormous amount of work in terms of publication of research papers, development of new products or processes, or innovation, fortification of food, the entire gamut of research that is possible. So, and today we have in the expo, first ever expo of the R&D in food sector, where we showcase about 90 odd research projects, products in about 5 themes in the sector. It could be waste to wealth, it could be additive processes, it could be new equipments. And I would really like to acknowledge the contribution of all these research teams, investigators across all these institutions who have worked hard over the years. And today we proudly showcase the work they have done. And I'm also happy that we have lot of industry present today. I understand about total participation is around 2,000, and I think a major chunk of those participants are from industry. And this will provide a useful platform where the research which has remained within labs or within small enterprises who have actually made use of them. A lot of this research has actually got already translated and commercialized by some units. So this gets showcased, and we have the industry stakeholders who would look at the projects that are on display today and find opportunities, find them good enough to convert them into commercial ventures, and find opportunities for commercializing these research products. In fact, the ministry spends about 100 crores. Actually, it's a substantial amount. And I'm confident that this expo is first in a series. And research is ongoing. These are the numbers of research projects which have culminated into a stage where you can showcase to the industry. And many more are in the pipeline. We will continue to focus, particularly now in the future, in the coming years, waste to wealth technologies and also packaging solutions, which are more biodegradable, or it can be plastic substitutes. So this is something I think the sector sees as a big challenge, and we would like to put government resources to fund these kind of sustainable solutions to the industry. Today is a proud moment also because the minister will be launching the R&D portal, which will be available to all the stakeholders to look at research that is happening and which has happened across institutions in the country. I'm happy to inform the gathering that about 90 odd research projects are available on the R&D portal, and we have established a platform where we source R&D projects ongoing and completed across the country. It's a work in progress, and we hope to populate the portal with all the research projects that are happening in such a large and diverse country as ours. So it's a watershed moment in getting the R&D portal also launched by the. So thank you very much for this virtual mode getting organized. I know FICCI had really worked hard at this, and I really hope that this will be a successful first-time virtual event that we are holding. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you very, very much, Madam Secretary Srimati Subramaniam, for talking to all of us here. And we are very grateful that you could spare some of your most valuable time in joining us on this virtual event. Inaugurate the MOFPI FICCI Virtual Processed Food R&D Expo 2021, and also raise the curtain and launch the MOFPI NIFTM portal on the Food R&D Projects 2021. So I'm going to now request Shri Rameshwar Teli, the Honorable MOS Food Processing Industries, to kindly do the same. First, inaugurate the R&D Expo 2021, and thereafter raise the curtain and launch the MOFPI NIFTM portal. Requesting Sir to now also raise the curtain and launch the MOFPI NIFTM portal on the food R&D projects 2021.
Hello everyone. That has been lodged. That was there in the video itself. So
right, I'm sorry, my apologies. Some technical glitch on my part here. Thank you once again. I'd like to tell our audience that the Research and Development Portal of MOFPI presents the outcomes of the R&D works of the various institutes involved in food processing and value addition in India. And the R&D portal has the facilities to explore the technological solutions in the form of food product, process technology, and food processing machinery. And the R&D portal will be continuously updated by including the R&D contributions from various institutes across the country, thus serving as the repository of innovations and technological solutions. So with that, we now move on, and I'm going to request Shri Rameshwar Teli, the Honorable MOS Food Processing Industries, to now give the keynote message and speak to our audience here.
नमस्कार। सुनाई दे रहे हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
मैं माननीय फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री मंत्री श्री नरेंद्र सिंह तोमर जी और हमारे मंत्रालय के सेक्रेटरी पुष्पा सुब्रमण्यम जी और हेमंत मलिक जी और मंत्रालय के अधिकारीगण, फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री के स्टेक होल्डर का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं। हायर लेवल के प्रोसेसिंग के साथ एक वेल डेवलप्ड फूड प्रोसेसिंग सेक्टर वेस्टेज को कम करने, वैल्यू एडिशन में सुधार करने, क्रॉप डाइवर्सिफिकेशन को प्रोत्साहित करने, किसानों को बेहतर रिटर्न सुनिश्चित करने, एम्प्लॉयमेंट को बढ़ावा देने के साथ साथ एक्सपोर्ट अर्निंग में वृद्धि करने में सहायता करता है। एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड एक्सपोर्ट पोटेंशियल में वृद्धि करने के मामले में फूड प्रोसेसिंग सेक्टर में अपार संभावनाएं और महत्व है। सभी प्रमुख प्रोसेस्ड प्रोडक्ट के लिए प्रोसेसिंग, हैंडलिंग, पैकेजिंग, स्टोरेज एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेक्नोलॉजी के विकास की आवश्यकता है ताकि घरेलू और इंटरनेशनल फूड रेगुलेशन और मानकों को पूरा किया जा सके। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट प्लान को इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है, जिसका ऑब्जेक्टिव साइंटिफिक कम्युनिटी को टेक्नोलॉजी सॉल्यूशन और न्यू प्रोडक्ट और प्रोसीड्यूर को विकसित करने के उद्देश्य से फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री के मामले में आने वाली प्रॉब्लम पर कार्य करने में सक्षम बनाना है। रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट प्लान का ऑब्जेक्टिव फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री द्वारा वाणिज्यकरण के लिए टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट और प्रोसीड्यूर का सेल्फ तैयार कराना है। नए प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में प्रवेश करेंगे और फूड आइटम को सेफ्टी एंड न्यूट्रिशन की स्थिति को बढ़ाएंगे। मुझे विश्वास है कि ये रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट प्लान निश्चित रूप से प्रोडक्ट एंड प्रोसेस डेवलपमेंट, टेक्नोलॉजी, बेटर पैकेजिंग, वैल्यू चेन में वैल्यू एडिशन के मामले में प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री को लाभ पहुंचाएंगे। मुझे यह जानकर बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि फिक्की के सहयोग से वर्षों से हमारी मिनिस्ट्री द्वारा सपोर्टेड रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट के विकास के लिए वर्चुअल एग्जीबिशन का आयोजन किया गया है। इसके अलावा निपटम कुंडली सनीपत के माध्यम से फूड प्रोसेसिंग सेक्टर में स्टेक होल्डर के लिए एक रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट पोर्टल डेवलप किया गया है। मैं एक बार फिर प्रोग्राम की सफलता के लिए अपनी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं, जो भारतीय फूड प्रोसेसिंग सेक्टर के विकास के लिए सभी स्टेक होल्डर को एक साथ लाएगा। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
थैंक यू। हम मंत्री जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं कि उन्होंने अपने बहुमूल्य समय में से कुछ समय हमारे लिए निकाला और हम सभी से बातचीत की। Thanking the Honorable MOS for joining us this afternoon on our virtual event. With that, we have almost come to an end of the inaugural session. I'm going to now request Mr. Mohit Anand, the Managing Director of Kellogg's India and South Asia and the co-chair of the FICCI Food Processing Committee, to kindly propose a formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, Samridri, and thank you, Minister Ji and Madam Secretary. It is my privilege and a very pleasant task to propose the vote of thanks. And first of all, I would like to propose a deep gratitude to our guest on honor, the Honorable Union Minister, Shri Narendra Singh Tomar Ji, who couldn't be here with us today, but we know that he was here with us in spirit, and his blessings are always with us. My special thanks to the Honorable Minister of State, Shri Rameshwar Teli ji. आपसे बहुत देर से मुलाकात नहीं हुई सर, बट आपको देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा. And Srimati Pushpa Subramaniam ji, the Secretary MOFPI, ma'am. I'd like to also extend a big word of thanks to MOFPI for giving us this wonderful opportunity to engage on this very important program. And thanks to the officials, everybody from the MOFPI team and the academic institutes for all their support from time to time in conceptualizing this whole convention, which is a first, as Madam Secretary said, in itself. I do wish during these 3 days of convention, the engagement between the industry and academia will result in a business matchmaking, which meets the end objective of the convention, and the stakeholders from all corners gain knowledge from the planned webinars and experience new ways of engagement and interaction over this virtual platform. I think it will open up opportunities for the industry like it has never done before by giving access to knowledge that is very difficult today for many people to access. So we really, really thank MOFPI and the support that we've got from there. And with this, I wish you best of luck for the success of the convention. Thank you and namaskar.
Thank you very much, Mr. Anand. With that, to all of our audiences, we have now come to an end of this inaugural session, and we hope the stakeholders from across agriculture and food processing value chain, industry, academia, government officials will all take maximum advantage of this opportunity, and this shall unveil new set of opportunities for the sector. On behalf of the Ministry of Food Processing Industries and FICCI, we wish you the best. We wish you keep safe, and we thank you for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.